Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to access some resources from the Balme library, specifically your past questions and some reference materials, some ebooks and all of that. So, first of all, you would have to go to the university website, then you go to the library menu. Then, since you are off campus, let's first register for an off campus access. So I'll click on off campus access. Then, if you don't have an account yet, you have to register. So you click here to register. Now it brings you here. So first you need a barcode and a password. For the barcode, it's been indicated here how to create your barcode. So the format is, if you're a student, you start with your student ID, then followed by your date of birth in this format. So the format is day, month, and year. So that will be your barcode. So let's try our hands on it. So let's take an example of a barcode. Alright, so let's look at an example of a barcode. So I have, assuming this is my student ID, and I have two dates of birth over here to for us to use as an example. So let's see how the barcode for this date of birth and this ID would look like. So I head on. So the barcode says your student ID comes first, then the day. So the day is 15, so 1 5. Then the month would be JAN. Then the year follows 1845. So that's how the barcode for this ID and date of birth will look like. Let's try for this. So you can pause the video and create your barcode alongside. So this will look like this. So my ID, then the day is first, so it's going to be 01 because the format is what the format of a barcode. So barcode looks like this. So your ID, then the day, the month, then the year. So that's the format. So we have our ID. Now the day is 15th, which is first, which is 01. The month is what, April, so the code for April is APR. Then the year will be 1985. So that is it. That is how to create the barcode. So let's go ahead and log in. To register, I need only my barcode. I submit. Now, so after submitting, I've been asked to create a password. I'm creating a password now. So okay, so I'll confirm my password. Then after confirming my password, and I hit on the submit button. Yeah, so at this point I've successfully created my library account. So now I can have access to the BAM library off campus. So that is how to create or activate your account. Now, I want us to first of all look at how to um, download or access past questions from the BAM library. So look at that first, then we'll look at other resources such as ebooks and reference materials from the BAM library. Okay, so now let's head back to the university website. Go back to library, then I'll hit on BAM library. So this is the BAM library main or the welcome page. So I look for past exam questions. So I click on past exam questions. So at this point, I can search for a past question by the course title, the examiner, or by the course code. So assuming I want past question on UGRC, so UGRC 110, I type that in, or if I know the course title, I can say academic writing, and I hit the search button. So you see all the search results over here. So assuming I want this particular one. So if I want this particular one, I click on the title, it opens for me. So when you scroll down to the end of the page, you see the attachment over there. So I hit on this attachment. Now it's requesting me to log in. It's requesting that I log in before I can download my course material. Sorry, my the past question. And so we need to provide login credentials to be able to log in. Now, at this point, please listen carefully, pay attention. You provide your student ID as the username, then your password is going to be the barcode we created earlier. So you use your barcode as your password. So I'll put the barcode here, then I hit the login. So remember your student ID, then the barcode we created. So I hit login, and now I'm able to have access to download. So I've downloaded. So let's see what is here. Yeah, so I've successfully downloaded the past question. So again, when you are asked to log in, when you want to download and you are asked to log in, you use your student ID as the username, and the password is going to be the barcode we created. So after this, I can log out of my account. So this is the where to log out. So I hit log out to log out. So that is it for downloading past questions. The next thing you're going to look at is how to access PDFs or reference materials, like for example, in your slides, you have some reference materials over there. So you can go to the BAM library to find those reference materials. So we'll look at that next. So let's head to the library. Again, let's go to off-campus access. So this time around we have an account, so I'm going to log in. So I log in with the barcode I created earlier and the password. So you see the difference When we're using the past questions, we use barcode as the password and our ID as the username here. For off-campus access, you are using your barcode and the password you created. So I'm entering my password and select whether I'm a student or a staff. So in your case, you're a student, then you log in. Now when you log in, there's so many resources. These are all databases you can choose. So we'll look at one or two of them. So I prefer that we look at ebooks. So let's look at how to find an ebook. So let's go to this database, this resource, so ProQuest. I click on this. Yeah. So here I can search for ebooks. So assuming I want something on, let me just do a general search. Let's say statistics. Yeah. So statistics. Let me search, and I'll just pick anything for us to look at. So let's look at statistics for spatial data. So I hit on this. Now, so you have the book here. You can choose to read online, and I think you can also download. For the download, we'll look at this for now, reading it online. So let's assume I want to read online. I hit read online. So you have the whole book at your disposal. You can read the book online. So yeah, so this is an example of an ebook. Yeah, so um, can read the whole book here. Let's go back and look at and try another search. So I'll go back and now when you search, you can also filter your search. So right here you can see you can filter by the year published, by the subject, and yeah. So how do I filter? Assuming I want a book published uh, around this year, so I check this. So whilst you are checking, the page will refresh to match your filtered or your choices. Okay, so maybe I want a book by a particular author. I can select the author from here. So this is basically how to look for ebooks using your off-campus access. Let's look at other databases. Let's see. Yeah, there's this over here. So if you want journals and ebooks on law, business, economics, social sciences, you can find it here. If you want something on humanities, it's here. So for this, I'll leave this one for you to explore them. So it tells you what you can find in each of the databases. So you look at it, you select what suits your your study or yeah your topic. Then you go ahead and find what you want. So you have different resources or databases to choose from. So you select a particular database depending on what you are looking for. So each link here tells you what you can find in there. So that is it. When you're done, you can hit sign out to sign out of your account. So that is it for um, the library resources. If you have any other requests, you want me to record any other video, just pass them through your class reps and I'll do them. I'll do that for you. So until next time, goodbye.